another adventure, and I'm ready to go on it.
She's ready to stay here.
She's not coming this time. But where I'm going, pretty interesting. And you know what? I don't even think I'm gonna leave it very vague. But we're traveling back in time. Just a little bit. But yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
You should just kill me right there.
So yeah, we made it to camp. Fuck yeah. So I needed to do a little check-in. We're here. Camp is not even up yet and we've already started fucking fighting each other. But yeah, it'll be a lot better once camp's put up. So pause until more things are set up. Good morning, JayTv, and good morrow. So yeah, we're at camp and there are javelins being thrown and there's fucking shields, there's bow and arrows. Because we are about to do war. Fuck yeah. No one is safe. No one is safe. I mean, we've got our nice fire going. We've got all of our wood. We've got more wood than we need. The hammocks, food.
Oh yeah, I'm just smoking a lot.
Good garb, good people. Fight.
I also wouldn't mind a
Like for real.
This is mainly like it's not really that viable in like single person combat like that because like you usually hold it here and you've got like 2 or 3 people in front of you, so you're like past people so you break their shield. And you have like shield.
So yeah, I'm gonna say this right now. This is not like everybody. I know people are gonna watch this and gonna think like this is some pussy shit. We're actually going to fucking hurt people.
Yep.
Like, not to, I mean, if somebody hits me, I'm not gonna be nice about it. like, I'm for real. Oh shit, I haven't seen this guy.
That's what KJ uses.
Yeah.
He redded a grown man down a hill.
No shit.
Straight swung it and knocked him completely down a hill.
Fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
I just
Mace to the face.
Fucking
Boof. I also didn't have any.
Yeah. This is what JayTv is doing for the weekend. We're doing battle.
That's your only 3 more something.
Oh!
Other than that, if you lose your sword on fucking your shield, just block it.
Keep slapping off my arm.
I need to
Fuck yeah.
have a better control throw. Dude, it'd be solid. Yeah. I don't care. I don't really use that shield.
Go around the squad.
Now everybody's garbed and ready for battle. Getting armor on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, wait, armor check.
Just want to hit me?
Gotta make sure it's nice and solid.
Oh yeah. Just wants to give him a smack.
Nice little smack.
Getting more on.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah.
We ain't even done yet.
I just fuck people up. Oh yeah.
Good to go. I think it's time for battle. Yeah.
Okay.
It's about time to start killing some people. It's about that time.
Nerds breaking shit. Son, give me the strength to break the first skull I hit.
Fuck. Anybody who tries to say that this is easy, they can fuck off. like for real. Like this is just to show you, motherfuckers. This is not bullshit. This is real leather armor. Like this is no bullshit. Like yeah, you've got people out there doing pussy shit, but Not this.
Dude, I had somebody like Kyle with this spear. I had.
So yeah, again, to anybody who thinks this is fake, we've got a gashed player on the field right now.
At least it's Bogart.
Like my fucking hand's even starting to bleed. Like my hand's even starting to fucking bleed. I've got marks.
Oh yeah, that's why I've got this on.
Yeah,
that's happens. I mean, we have athletic tape and stuff. Look, you can see this.
Actually, I might try to tape up my hand. Like
I'm just used to it. Like you see the.
Well, yeah, that's the callus that you build up over time.
But yeah, like your old hand has that nasty mark from where the arm last again.
Yeah, this is.
Okay, so I swung the red.
We've already been. We've already been. It's hard to breathe. It's hard to talk. I'm not even trying to vlog right now because I can't even get my breath. Like fuck.
Not bad.
Fuck me.
I didn't impact the longest.
So yeah. Battlefield. Camping areas back that way. And I need water. So yeah, right now we've got a tournament. Well, we already had one. Do you know who won the fucking single blue?
No, I have no idea.
We don't know who won. Somebody won.
What up, dude? Yeah, we missed a single blue.
We've got Sword and the Shield going on right now. So
There's that.
there's that. Yeah. I'm fucking wore out. Goddamn.
Preston's about to get his tan on.
Yeah, right.
You can see my own reflection.
Like I had to turn and the fucking camera had to like reflect off his back. It's like, hold on, give it a second to see the beam of light coming from that side.
You know, I'm white. W-H-I-T.
Man, but yeah, we've got a lot of people over there getting ready to fight each other, so it'll be good. After battle, the first thing you need, pierogies. Put some fucking food in the belly. After a nice day of battle, everybody just needs a good pierogi to the belly. Fuck yeah. This is my view right now.
It is an option, but it's gonna be
Fuck yeah. Nice hard day of fighting. Battles are done for the day. Now it's time to sit at camp, hang out with some people, have some fun. Have a good time. Oh, it's a good day. Okay, he's back. And he's in one piece. Like, I was filming earlier just to say we had a fucking I had something happen to somebody, and it's good to see that not only you're good, like damn, like
dude, you're
8
happy.
staples,
Holy shit,
8
dude.
staples.
I saw that. I was like mortally wounded and then saved.
Yeah,
You know
like
what I mean? Seriously though, like partial
it's
scalp.
no bullshit. Like people get fucking hurt doing this, like for real. Like.
I'll wait for this wind to die down.
Exactly.
It's just all
Cheek toss. I mean, you gotta do it.
You get it!
Say anything. Yeah, I haven't moved very far. Get the fire going. Can't really see much. So, I think I'm gonna say good night to JayTv from here. After a fucking badass day of battling. Everybody just fucking hammocked the fuck out. See, it's all black. Like I'm talking to a black screen. Hello. But yeah. I'm saying peace out from here because my ass is tired, so. No more filming for me today. Good morning, JayTv. I don't even know what. I'm probably a mess right now. Don't care. But yeah, I couldn't find the camera until we had already had camp packed up, and by that point we were trying to get out real fast. Didn't really want to halt or anything by videotaping, but got all the weapons and all the shit packed in the fucking truck, or packed in Tyler's car. It was a good time. Good time. Killing people. That's fun. I'm so fucking sore. Like, I've got fucking bruises all over my arms. My hands are all fucked up. Like, it was worth every second. Every second. Like, it was crazy. That was my first DAG event, and I know I'll definitely be back. Because it was a lot of fun, for sure. But, yep, now it's time to hit the road, get back home, and take a shower.
It's cold.
It is cold. It's fucking cold. Yeah, home and a shower. That's the thing that needs to happen, but fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. So yeah, so you guys just watched that, and I realized that I didn't say peace out or whatever, but yeah, that was Pentwyvern Harvest was fucking awesome. I had to say goodbye. Peace out, JayTv.